Amber, and I'm training to be a hero dog. Here at Hero Dogs, our mission is to assist wounded veterans. I'm only a puppy, so I'm still in boot camp, where I'm learning everyday tasks to make our veterans' lives easier. Working hard to develop skills that make me a worthy lieutenant. Our heroes need a few good dogs like me, which means we need volunteers like you. Help us help others by donating your time and inspiring me and my friends to be the best we can be. We want you. For more information, go to www.hero-dogs.org.